Practice set 9 asks us to find the answers to the following subtraction problems. To do a subtraction, we're going to use the rule that says to subtract signed numbers, change the numbers being subtracted, and change the problem into an addition problem. Given problem number 2 from the practice set, we have 19 minus 31. Following that rule, it's asking us to change the number being subtracted into the opposite of what it is, which looks like a positive 31. We're going to turn it into a negative 31. And then this last step is to change the problem into an addition problem. We've just gone from subtraction to an addition of different signed numbers. Now we use the addition rule number 2 to carry out that addition of different signed numbers, which states ignore the signs, subtract the smaller from the larger looking number. So I've got a 31 minus 19. I'm going to borrow 1 from the 3. Now giving me 11 minus 9 is a 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. And the answer has to have the sign of the larger looking number, which in this case was the negative 31, so the result is going to be a negative 12 for our solution. In the next problem, following the rule of subtraction as well, says change the second number that's being subtracted to the opposite sign of what it is. It looks like we're subtracting a negative 90, so instead of a negative 90, we'll turn that into a 90, and then change the problem into an addition problem. So the subtraction becomes a positive or a plus. Transforming it into an addition problem of different signed numbers, which is the addition rule number 2, meaning I ignore the signs, subtract the smaller looking number from the larger number, need to borrow, 9 becomes an 8, bringing over a 10, minus 2 is 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, and to follow up and finish the problem, your difference between the numbers has the sign of the larger looking. The larger looking was positive, so we'll leave the 78 as is for our answer to problem number 3.